Innovation begins with I, and so does Intertherm. A coincidence? No. We're driven by it. Always have been, always will be. With a century-long legacy in residential HVAC, you could say we've been getting it right from the start. Engineering unique heating and cooling equipment tailored for factory-built homes of all shapes and sizes, whether that's modular, manufactured, or even tiny homes. Today, our RightFit solutions offer fully integrated equipment systems that maximize operational efficiency across energy, space, cost, service, and product compatibility. With RightMatch, we eliminate guesswork with the seamless performance of matched products. Right function? It's the versatility and reliability you need to meet diverse space configurations, no matter the size of your home or room, fuel type, or climate region. And Right Foundation means you'll benefit from our decades of experience and focus on the unique needs of the industry, from our extended warranty options down to our dedicated support team. We make life easier for distributors, contractors, and homeowners alike. It's that simple. Choose Intertherm. We're the brand you can trust to get the job done right from the start.